Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to use Vlookup function to extract the data set, extract the particular or the desired value for a given condition. So you can see a student's, if yeah, 10 students marks are given here. I will just number them. So 10 students marks are given here for 6 different subjects, and here there are 4 different scenarios. I will take, for suppose if I want to know Arjun Patel's MOB marks here. The moment I type Arjun Patel name here, the MOB marks should be visible here. So how to use VLOOKUP in this particular scenario? This is the very easiest formula in advanced Excel. If you understand the logic, then it is very easy. So this is the trend going on in industry, the lookup functions. So we'll type VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP. Yeah, there are 4 elements: lookup value, table array, column index number, and range. So lookup value, I am looking for Arjun Patel, comma, table array. This is the table. How to select the table? Whatever lookup value you have selected, that should be there in my first column of the table array. Means if I have to select the table, it should be like this. It should be like this. C2 to I12. I cannot take serial number in my table array. Whatever lookup value is there, it should be there in my first column. Here, the first column in my table array serial number. I cannot take, so I have to make it C2 to I12. So if you know this condition, then VLOOKUP is very easy. So I will, since I'm not dragging the formula, I am not locking the cell, I will keep it as it is, comma, column index number. So I want MOB marks in this selected table array, not the table. In my selection, which column number is containing MOB marks? You can see the first column in my selected table is student name. Second column is having MOB marks. So I will type that column index number as 2, second column. And I want exact match. So range lookup will be false. So I will type 0. Not approximate match, always exact match 0. You can see 85. So I'm getting 85. Suppose the subject name is Suppose suppose the student name is Priya Sharma. The moment I paste her name here, automatically MOB marks changes. So again, I'm showing how to do this VLOOKUP. Equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is, now in this scenario it is Priya Sharma, and the first column in the table array should contain the name Priya Sharma. So I will select this student name column first, then I will drag it towards my right. I cannot go backwards. So I cannot go C to A. Remember that in VLOOKUP, it's from left to right table array, comma, column index number. I am looking for MOB marks. So this is my second column in my selected table. Second column is having MOB marks. So it will be 2, and I want exact match. So 0. 90 is the marks of the student. Okay. To find out the student marks, marks, all the subject marks of that particular student, how we can use VLOOKUP? Here we have used only for one subject. Here we are having multiple subject of the same student. How to extract from the data set? So here we are using VLOOKUP function only. But before that, I am selecting all the 6 cells here, and I am not typing here. I am typing it in formula bar. So equal to VLOOKUP, comma, I'm VLOOKUP. I'm looking for the value, that is Priya Sharma, that is lookup value in the table array. I will lock the range since it otherwise the table moves towards right as the subject moves towards right from L to M, M to N. Table range also changes. So I don't want to do that. So I will lock the range of the table here, comma, the column index number. If it was MOB, I might have typed only 2. If it was ME, I might have typed 3. And if it was a single subject, since it is all the 6 subject marks are asked, I will use flower bracket and I will mention respective subject column index number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 2 for MOB, 3 for ME, 4 for FA, 5 for BS, 6 for MM and 7 for MC. I will close the bracket, comma, 0 and I will close the bracket. If it was 2016 version MS Office, you have to press Shift Control Enter or Shift Enter. Since I'm using 21 version here, I'm just hitting the Enter button and I'm getting marks of all the 6 students. So using a one formula, I need not copy paste anywhere here. Using one VLOOKUP formula, I can get the marks of all the 6 subjects for the desired student for a given name of the student. Now, how to make it more interactive? Means instead of copying from main data set to here, how can I make it more automative or more interactive? So here comes the part of data validation. Means I am going to prepare a drop down list of the student in this cell only. So for this data validation will be useful. So I will go to data option. I will go to data validation. In I have to keep the cursor here before going to that. Means I will keep the cursor here. I'll go to data tab, go to data validation. In that, in allow option, I will click on list. It's asking from which source you want me to create the list. So I want to refer this range to create the list. I will click on OK. So the moment you click on OK, you can see a drop down symbol is appearing here. Okay, I will just hide these things. This is not required. Okay. So drop down icon is appearing here. I will click on this. You can see all the student name which is there in this main table are appearing here. So the moment I change any name, automatically student names marks will change. We'll just cross check the Rohan Gupta marks 78, 85 like this. Yeah. Like this also you can add total percentage, attendance position, everything in your data set and accordingly you can make that interactive table here. This is the interactive table using drop down data validation and VLOOKUP. They are making it more interactive. The moment if I want to check the attendance position marks of Aditya Verma, you can see the marks are appearing like this. So this is how we can use Excel features for more interactive table creation. Thanks for watching.